Hello everyone, welcome to another Python tutorial series, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to install Matplotlib on your computer. So Matplotlib is a comprehensive library for creating static, animated, and interactive visualizations in Python, and it is widely used in the data science community. If you want to visualize your data either in a line chart, bar chart, pie chart, or any other chart formats, Matplotlib is the tool to use. So it is powerful and also easy to use if you know how to use it. Matplotlib is also open source and we can use it freely. Now to use Matplotlib, you'll need to install it on our computers first, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to do this. So if you have correctly set up your environment variables for Python on your computer and added the Python path to your computer like I did, then you could directly run pip install on your command prompt. Now, to open up our command prompt, let's type in cmd in this bottom left search bar. Then you want to click on this command prompt right here, and it should open up your command prompt like this. And again, if you have already set up your environment variables, all you need to do is type in pip install matplotlib. Then you can click enter, and then it should be installing. Here I've already installed it, so it says requirement already satisfied. And yeah, otherwise, if you have not set up your environment variables for Python, then you will get an error saying something like pip is not recognized as an internal or external command. And then you'll need to add an extra step. And this extra step is just going to be launching the Python IDLE, finding the path, and then entering the path here. And I'll show you how to do this. So to open up your Python IDLE, in this bottom left search bar, type in IDLE. Now you can open it, and once you have this open, on the top left, you're going to click File, and then Open. Now this will open the location of Python. And then once you have this open, you're going to enter in this scripts folder, and once you're in the scripts folder, you're going to click this bar at the top and copy this path. So by copying, you could just write or do Command C, and once you've copied that, you close this, and now in your command prompt again, I will type in CD, and then I'll paste the path using Control V and enter. So now I'm in this scripts folder, and now that you're in this scripts folder, all you need to do is, again, just like before, type in pip install matplotlib. Then you can click enter, and then that should be installing. So Matplotlib should install after that. So once this installation is complete, you can launch this IDLE just to check. And I'm going to close and reopen this just to save any changes, just to make sure anything has changed. And then I'll type in import matplotlib. And if you don't see any errors, then that just means you have successfully installed Matplotlib on your computer. Now to see which version of Matplotlib that you've installed, you can just type in print matplotlib version and make sure that there are 2 underscores for version and 2 underscores after version. Once you've typed that in, click enter, and here you see that the current version that I'm using is 3.4.0, and the latest version as of today is going to be 3.4.1, and I strongly suggest that you install the latest version or the current version that I'm using right now, because the syntax in this series is going to be based on the latest version, and some syntax that I'm using might not work with some of the older versions. Now, to use Matplotlib, sometimes we'll also need to use another library, which is Numpy. And Numpy is another Python library used for working with arrays. And installing Numpy is the same process with Matplotlib, except you just need to replace Matplotlib with Numpy. So in this command prompt, instead of writing pip install Matplotlib, like right here, you could type in pip install Numpy. And this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.